Deep within the enchanted jungle, where ancient trees whisper secrets, elephants gather in a solemn council, their eyes gleaming with wisdom older than the stars. Under the moon's silvery glow, they communicate through silent vibrations, a magical language that reveals their astonishing intelligence and profound emotions. Meanwhile, in the mysterious depths of the ocean, sharks patrol with senses sharper than any enchanted blade, detecting the faintest heartbeats from miles away. Dare you dive into their world of wonder and fear?